Magandang araw ho sa inyong lahat mga kaibigan. Ito po si SpokesJet, isa akong guro, media practitioner at education reform advocate at isang pro-PBBM vlogger. Ang masasabi ko rito sa lantarang paggawa ni Sara ng mga pekeng resibo, ito ay mapanlinlang at dito ay nagpapakita that she is not capable of being not only the vice president but also the education secretary. And it's a good thing that she resigned. But perhaps it's not out of delicadeza, but because she has other plans. But let's not let her make her plans a reality. Ang lantarang pangungupit ni Sara sa confidential funds ay nagpapakita that she doesn't care about education. And wala rin siyang pakialam paano niyang gastahin ang pera ng bayan. At ang kanyang panluloko, panlilinlang sa Commission on Appointments at AFP ay nagpapakita that she has no respect for government agencies. It's so ironic. She's a government official, yet she desecrates the government. And all I can say also is that her misplaced priorities pagdating sa confidential funds ay nagpapakita that she has no responsibility towards the people she serves, and she also has no regard for morality. Kaya masasabi ko rito, dapat lang i-impeach si Sara at kalaykayin dapat ng Kamara de Representantes ang lahat ng katarantaduhang ginagawa ni Sara financially. Because ang ginagamit niyang pera is not her own money, but the money of the government. She was entrusted with it, yet she chose to cheat on the Filipino people by using the confidential funds for her own purposes to prop herself up as the possible next president, and God forbid that it would happen. Ang ginagamit niyang mga pangalan dito sa resibo ay nagpapakita that she's not clever enough, that she will eventually be uncovered and unraveled as a political fraud. That's it.